Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, aka Ali, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you. I'm really happy that I reached like 74 subscribers. That is a lot of people. So if you want to see how I got this holiday glam look, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm drinking my wine because I'm gonna drink some wine. Cara wine. Yeah. So now we get into this holiday glam. So I went in with the James Charles palette, and I went in with this white right here. I put that in the inner corners. I want some concealer on my eyes, and I'm gonna set it with some Sacha powder. I'm going in with this white right here. Put that in the inner corner.
But I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. That he is her. So next Christmas, I'm not alone, boy. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me.
So now I'm going in with this shadow right here. I'm putting that on the outer and bringing it inwards. Okay, I need that a little darker, so I'm going in with this guy right here.
He thinks so next Christmas, I'm not alone. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can give it all.
Okay, so I want to darken that up some more, so I'm going in with this brown now and darken up, build up that pigments. Yeah. Going back into the white. Lightening up some of the brown because the cake kind of dark around here. Then I'm going back into that dark brown, and I'm gonna just like, bring it all together. I need something a little more darker, so I'm going to go into this color right here. going back into the white from here and then build back up the white again.
I'm avoiding every mistletoe until I know it's true. That he is so next Christmas, I'm not alone, boy. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't.
Okay. So in the brow bone, I'm wanting to put like this color in the brow bone. To kind of brighten it up a little bit. As I lighten that, I'm back into this dark shade and build back up the pigment that I lost.
I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but I knew you'd say I woke up and you wasn't by my side. Now I need someone to hold, be my fire in the...
So I'm gonna do my wings. My wings.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can give it all away if he won't be here next year.
Dread our wing real good though. And I drank a shit. Okay, so now I'm cleaning up that wing with my dark cocoa concealer from LEU. Okay, so after that I'm gonna do like concealer all over my face, like my dark cocoa concealer. You can see somebody what's that thing, powder? What's that thing, powder? You see somebody put use setting powder on the face and then they put the concealer foundation. So I'll go and try that.
Feeling Christmas all around and trying to play it cool. Decide to focus when I see him walking across the room. Let it snow is past now, but I won't get in the mood. I'm avoiding every mistletoe until...
Okay, so I went in with my second skin foundation from Sacha in Perfect Bronze. Right, I haven't used liquid foundation in a long time, so alright, let's see how this goes. So using my beauty blender and I'm gonna okay, put that on.
I've been down this road before, fell in love on Christmas night, but I knew you'd say I
So I'm pouring more Sacha Butter powder. Well, setting powder. Set up foundation and concealer.
So next Christmas, I'm not all alone. Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if he won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares. 'Cause I can't give it all away if he won't be here next year.
Feeling kind of drunk, but makeup popping though. Anyway, so setting. My best freaking come out good because I have like crackhead energy right now. Okay, so after I said that, we're gonna pull it together with some Cara mayo with some brown powder. So yeah. So I'm gonna put on some black eyeliner. I got this one in a corner liner. I realize the wine doesn't have my eye looking watery, but like rum does have my eye looking watery. So I decided to do more drinking videos with wine now. But like when I do shots just make me get drunk quicker, and wine is just like creep up on you, you know. But yeah. So, I just had to draw my own moles. So I'm going in with my matte liquid liner for Melly Colors.
I've been down this road before. Fell in love on Christmas night.
You know something, man? Take for giving the CPR. I suck dick for giving the CPR. Yeah! That is everything, but don't get nervous. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna set my makeup with my Sacha Fix It spray. Snatched. So now I'm gonna put on some lipstick, right? And what is say holiday more than red lipstick? Nothing. So, okay. Well, holidays, as in Christmas. So I have this past the money. So I have this past the money lip velvet. Not lip velvet, well it's a lip velvet but pencil from Sacha. So I'm gonna use that on my lips, give it to a matte, you know, lip. So yeah. that is everything, but I get nervous tight. I'm gonna over the surface. I say dig myself in the city. I say dig my in the city.
So tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if you really care. 'Cause I can't get it out of way if you won't be here next year.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple holiday Christmas party makeup look. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.